Can I see your rocks?
It's a rock.
Let me see.
Okay.
Show me.
Bee.
Yeah.
What's that?
Those are cars over there.
Cars.
Yeah.
Ooh, Jay, Sarah.
Yeah, that's another car. Well, that's a truck. Can you say truck?
Those are trucks. What's big truck then?
Yeah, can I see your rocks?
Yeah, sure. It's
Let me see.
It's truck.
You're changing the subject. You don't want to share your rocks?
Yeah, sure. It's a fair one to share.
What are you doing? You just relaxing on the grass?
Oh, a box.
Yeah, there's bugs. Well, they're dragonflies. They're yucky.
Why?
I can't run.
Is it
They're not gonna get you. They can't do nothing to you, I don't think. What's up with your face? Why you You look pissed off.
a truck?
Yeah, there's trucks.
Any cars?
Yeah, trucks and cars.
A truck and cars.
Yes.
Oh, what a tree.
Yeah, there's a tree too. You're so smart.
Oh, what's that?
That's a man.
It's a nail.